This video sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning guys, it's February 3rd, 2020. Today I got a call for a boiler that's all full of soot. And don't want to leave it running for his father, so it's probably about 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm going to go over there and see what's going on. I'll have to check out the system, see if the oil line's protected. If it needs more than just a quick cleaning and a nozzle, I'll have to come back on it. We'll have to check out the oil tank, see what kind of condition it's in. He said the house was built in the 70s. So that's what? 45 years? 50 years? They say, oh, the 70s, like that's not that old, right? So if it's 2020, 70, that's 50 years. Crazy. Crazy. It's probably gonna be a shit show, Mama. Probably be a shit show. Flipping tank's dripping. Look at that oil.
You sure it's not for me? I just put a filter in it, and I
don't know, but
I was
that
running
tank,
because
look at that tank, it's dripping.
I think it's for me because it was dry over there the other day. I had this place a mess.
Wow,
yesterday.
you might have been yanking on it. I don't know. I can't touch that, guy. Look at that oil spill. Holy shit! It's full tank of oil. Wow. Not good. Take a look. You better have another. You better.
I think this is for me over here. This spot right here you're talking about?
No, that's under the tank is dripping. Under the tank is leaking.
Let me tell you what I did. So yesterday, they just got the tank filled, right? So my dad was convinced it had bad fuel, right?
Bad fuel. It's leaking all over. Holy shit. Not good. No, because look up here. I don't see. The fill's way over there.
Yep.
Wow. You got serious problems here. Serious problems. This thing's all full of soot. Man. I can't touch that because of that oil tank. That thing lets loose, now I'm responsible.
What do you mean by lets loose?
It's leaking.
The only thing that I saw was that middle spot there.
Alright guys, just left that job. Now the homeowner's kid was over there playing around with the filter. They changed the filter and the boiler's full of soot. I can't even touch that job because that tank's leaking right on the ground like that. See it dripping? I mean, I told him I don't want nothing to do with it. I'm involved with that thing, forget it. Gonna need to replace the tank and then clean the boiler. The oil lines in the concrete, very scary. Nope. We're gonna need to call someone else on that job. Jobs like that oil lets loose, you're looking at $300-400 grand damage. And it falls under the homeowner's insurance, and the homeowner's insurance will come after me. So I can't touch the job. Not good, not good.